Hey guys, nice to see us again. Eddie here from Always Be Fun. Today we are gonna to unboxing a parcel sent by one of my follower from Malaysia. So let's open it. This is a brand new OGA 1.1 he just bought. After he assembled it, nothing show on the display screen. Just blank screen, and he also feel that those buttons really hard to press, a bit like stuck. Let's take this OGA out of box. This is the white or clear cell case OGA 1.1 edition. Okay, let's power on and see what happened. Power on and screen show nothing, just blank. It does power on and with the LED lights on. Does not come with the SD card. Let's take my 1.0 edition micro SD to test it. Now let's see any changes. Okay, LED light on and remain blank screen. Let's tear down. Okay, I found the problem here. The screen connector is not in lock position. The screen ribbon also never insert properly. Now let's test. Does it show anything from the screen? The speaker connector also not insert properly. Need to push in a bit harder. Switch on. Yes, the screen shows no micro SD card. Now we put our SD card and test for another issue. The buttons very hard to press. Okay, it does really difficult to press and feel like a bit stuck off the buttons. The D-pad also not working properly. I need to tear down again and check for those rubber pad. I think maybe it's those rubber pad is not aligned and sit properly in their own place. I only take out all the rubber pad and put it all back again, so should be okay now. We can put all the screw back and have a test now. Switch on the console. So far so good. Let's test play a PSP car racing game. Okay, all buttons are in working condition, and this OGA 1.1 is back to normal. This is the first time I assemble OGA 1.1. Yes, I do have one, but I keep inside the boxes and never plan to assemble it. I find that there was a improvement from this 1.0 to 1.1. The IPS screen connector black color plastic lock clip 1.0 version is very fragile. My metal OGA screen connector is broken. But just now I found that this 1.1 is different compared with 1.0. Harder and tightened, not so fragile. That's it for this video. Really appreciate watching my video. Please do let me know in the comment below. If you want to see anything else running on this OGA 1.1. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.